Well, what's the crack, fellas? I hope everyone is doing well, and welcome to a bit of lock picking. A bit of time for a bit of a lock picking session today, so figured I'd stick the video camera on and see if we can get a couple of these challenge locks knocked out that BlackDolphin90 sent me. Yeah, it might take some while. I might need the full 6 weeks on one or two of these challenge locks, but we'll start off with this one, load of Bollox. This load of Bollox. Hopefully this is the easiest one in the bunch, I reckon. So raw key works nicely, perfectly smooth. You do a full 360 with it, all locked up there. Nice spinning on the key too. Very nice spin, nice and low, guard, some real nice highs at the back there. So let's get this started. You want full control over the core on this lock. So actually, there we go. It fits nicely. I actually sanded that down a little tiny bit so it fit nice and snug in there. Hopefully it didn't pop out now. Yeah. When you see this is check this out, okay? So I was messing with this first time I picked, I went in and I said, okay, let's check see what's going on. So, okay, so pin 1 binding, let's pick them. And I was like, what? It's not how that opens, but check that out for a fault set. And if you keep going from there, you get nothing. No, it's really hard to get feedback from there. So let's start. That's a trap if ever I seen one. So we'll start where we leave him alone. We'll try and not pick him for until later on in the game. But so I'm gonna try a 15,000 deforest from the practice kit. So let me see here. Let me see now. It's hard to. I just want to try and pick any other pins in here that are binding them. It's just a nasty keyway, and even with this 15,000 deforest, it's hard to get in there. Just gonna get over that pin without picking it. It's hard not to pick that. See there, I just picked it with the shaft of the freaking pick. Right, can't be helped. So what we do is we go back. Let's restart, and what we can do. So let's wipe it over and. Pin 3, it won't move either way. Okay, I think it's pin 4 or something. To move. Pick is stuck. See, it's gone back now. I'm almost gone to tension in it anti-clockwise now. So you really have to do a ton of counter rotation. So get these ones set at 3. Four. Come on. So whatever pin that was is it will not set. It's not 1, there's a 2. It's 3. It's pin 3. What the heck? Pin 3 will not move. Okay. Pin 1 is good. Okay. Manual counter rotation. I think pin 2 is good. Let's see if we can this is just pin 3 now. There, maybe you got him. Maybe you got pin 3. So, shit. Pin 2 is at the dropping, jumping back up. Good. Okay, got him. Now. Pin 3 jumped back up there when I got pin 2, which is hardly surprising. Looking how far back now I have to go to get him to set. Okay, let's see who jumped back up this time. Get pin 2, jump back up. Strong spring. You really won't move either unless you manually counter rotate. It's the only way to get him going. Back there, so I think that wants to go as well. Wow. Pick really gets stuck in there as well. Now set there, set. I don't think it is set. I don't think I set that pin in the back, however it was. Let's try and get this pin 2 again. Come on. Okay, let me see. 4. A 4 can counter. No. 3 is, don't, is it? Come on. What the heck did you put into this lock, Patrick? I'm interested to see what is in here now, to be honest. Oh shit, I had you. Come on. Shit. It's very weird. Even when you do give a counter rotation, it doesn't feel like it will get to a point where it doesn't feel like it wants to set anymore. Maybe it's this pick. Maybe I'm using the wrong pick. It's not reaching up there, but I did open it with this pick before, so that kind of blows that theory out the water. Come on, you fucker. Right. 1, 2, 3. Come on, you fucker. This is a pick breaker if ever I messed around with one. Right, let me see, who's this? No. It's pin 5. Okay. I think I did. Bizarre. I am genuinely intrigued to see what's inside here. I have an idea. I think I know These one or two of the things that are going to be in here. Hitler. Come on. What the hell? Okay, it was pin 2 again. Pin 1 is good, pin 2 is good. Oh, shit. Pin 3 keeps jumping up. And I'm not sure. I need the rest of them in the back there sorted. So, let's see if we can get counter rotation from pin 1. Hardly. Maybe just try. I don't think it is indistinct, whatever way I'm turning the pick. It's picking Warden here. I have to be. Okay, here we go. Maybe it's alright. A bad time here. I am. Alright, still have our horribly deep fault set. What the heck? Okay. Yes. Jeez. Oh. Sorry, fellas. That's just fucking quick. That's just that. I'm sure I could do any better than that. That's the second try to get it on camera. The first one was more like 17 minutes or so. So okay, quickly. Let's get what we need over here. I want to see what's inside this fecker. We do. So we just need a nice clip. We do have a key, working key, so I'm going to put that up because I'm not in the humor fighting with that clip. So I do have a tool here. This one, and this one, and this one should be fine. Oh no, it's one of these. Oh, there we go. There, and there we go. There we go. That's better. Clip. Okay, so we have a clip. We need a shim as well. I believe the shim is necessary. Started its way in there. Let me just grab a key. Whew, tell you, this was tricky lock for sure. Good job, Patrick, making this one difficult. Really hard to read. And It's the fault set after setting the first pin. Just thinking to yourself, oh my god, oh look, here we go. I knew it. Knew he had them nuts in there, look. Yeah, see. Terrible. And that's what he did. Yeah. He literally has a lot of little steel bollocks in there. There's the car, by the way, actually. Some nice cuts out there as well to exaggerate that, exaggerate the fault set. It's good luck, quite challenging, for sure. Tricky. So actually, I'll just leave that there. I'll empty this out first. We're already dragging on a bit of time. Apologies with the long videos, fellas, but this was a challenging lock to pick. I did the best I could do. Let me just get our key pins off something else. So I'm just gonna get the springs over here. Proper spring there. And is that a bullet pin? Oh yeah, looks like a bullet pin. I've never seen them, the bullet pins and these fucking things. Those little testicles. They're quite annoying. And another set of testicles, look. Little titanium testicles. Oh, we have a triple one up here as well. Do they? Oh, they do have springs behind them. I'll get the rest. Check the rest of those springs now, and we have some more testicles down the back here. Fucking bastard. And I knew with the other lock that's what you done, but I didn't think you'd done that with this one. I had a little bit of an idea, but let's sorry, let me just double check the springs. They look like different springs. Yeah, look, that's a nice strong spring. Looks like I'm gonna spring out of a NASA or a GG maybe. Another small spring. Let me get two more of these here. They don't seem to want to come out unless there isn't any. There's one, half spring. I seen him. I thought I seen the spring in chamber 5. Yeah, there may be another spring in there, but I can't get him out. So, not work done to the Bible there, but certainly some work done to the plug. Let's get these out so we can have a look at these two. Let's get you. Nice long standard key pin, blocking everything. Making everything a right pain. And then we have more little nuts in the as key pins in the bottom there. Tricky as they work great, don't they? As pins, it's fucking difficult. They actually, looks like if I'm not mistaken, you glued those two together. I think you might have glued those two together. Didn't you, Patrick? Same with this one for the key pins. That's actually maybe a better idea, at least so they're not flopping around so much in the key pin. Whereas the top ones there, yeah, they flop around a lot. Same as this guy here. They're such a pain to pick. Yeah, very hard. You'd think they'd give you a ton of counter rotation and stuff like that, but they genuinely don't. They just lock up. And again, let me just try this something here real quick. Put that in there. That goes in there. Yeah, look, and as soon as you put some torque on the plug, it gets locked in. And that's it. You're not going anywhere when you have like that. Very interesting indeed. Again, sorry about the long video there, fellas, but what can you do? Some of them take a while to pick, so they do. Let's just have a quick look at this load of Bollox from BlackDolphin90. There we go. There's everything there now. That looks like a bullet pin, if I'm not mistaken. In pin 1, it's like a 9mm or whatever. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's homemade, it's very nice. It looks like one of those bullet pins. So there you go, lads. 20-minute video. Damn, sorry, didn't realize it'd be so long, but hoi, that's one down. Hopefully, and that was the easy one. Hopefully the rest don't take aren't so difficult. Listen, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.